Macy, Tyson.
He's just cute.
What are you doing? You want Macy's binky? Guys are so funny. Aww. Oh. Are you giving her a hug? You're okay, Mace. Oh, she's gentle. Baby wrestling.
He's not very gentle. I know you're being sweet, but
Macy.
I know you're trying to be nice.
She's like, what just happened? No time to get up. Here's more huggies. Macy, your diaper's showing. That's not very ladylike. Oh. Oh, you're okay. Come here. Come on, you can do it. Oh, here comes Tyson. Oh. Oh, she's smiling. Oh, babies go down. Oh, you're fine. Tyson should be crying more than you. He fell flat on his back. I'll hold your hand.
Another hug?
Oh.
Give me a hug instead. She doesn't like it.
He's like tackling her.
I know.
Are you going to be a football player? Are you going to be a football? Oh, you suck it on me. Oh, it's so cute. You have such good intentions. But it's just not working too well.
He tries. He tries to give the 2-year-old hugs too, and the 2-year-old just pushes him off.
Oh, tackle her into the couch, Tyson. Oh, come on. You're okay.
You're making her mad. You're making her mad. Give me a hug.
Macy's like, yeah, give her hugs. Huh.